Sasa mimi powers yangu
Arutani ya JSS na aria makoretwo magikururia mathigiko Ihinda Makihoya thirikari kuigwa kiriro kiao. Riu mirurungano yo ni ciarite matunda kuona ati thirikari ni iranire kumandika na Kandarathi ya Nginyagia Kuheo marihi ma Kuhuruka Wira Mwakaini Ukite.
We have heard your cries on the plight of junior secondary schools, teachers serving on contracts. We will improve their engagement to permanent terms within the coming year in accordance with their employment terms.
Akiruta ndumiriri yo Nyabara wa Maminista Musalia Mudavadi yari Kigomanoini kia atongoria a urumwe wa Kupe makiria ni erire arutani a muungano cio ati thirikari ni kunyita mbaru mendekithia mao ma kugathikirwo marihi ma kunyitirira miturire yao ikundi-ini meta insurance life cover.
Rest assured that the government will support Kupet's demand for the provision of a group life cover as part of the teachers' medical insurance. I understand that teachers are the only public servants, and indeed it was said here, without a life cover. It is only fair that we harmonize their position with the rest of the public service.
Mudavadi agithie na mbere ni atugiire itemi ria Kupet hari gutwarithia na mbere ubi na mogaruruku ma thukuru cia junior secondary.
We also acknowledge Kupet's position on domiciling the JSS structure and wish to assure you that the transition is smooth and cost effective. Remember, I've just said we acknowledge.
Mudavadi ni atariirie ati thirikari ni gathikite mawatho na mitaratara na iria ikugacirithia ihoto na mendekithia ma aruti a wira wa muingi na makiria guthondeka riera riega ria uruti wa wira.
We have enacted enabling legislation to promote workers' interests and industrial harmony. In this context, the government has established a social health insurance scheme to extend health care to all Kenyans.
Adoine ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Shege wa Wajohi.